Junkfoodtaster.com. Here we go, my little friends. It's time for another advent calendar. And look what I got. I got the Nestle KitKat one. And this one is called Santa's Workshop. Features this cardboard stuff here on top. Let's have a little look. Here. Let's have a little look before I rip apart everything. Let's have a look at the back side. Here we actually see the contents. And it's snowman, reindeer, bauble, penguin, teddy bear, present, stocking, elf, Christmas tree, gingerbread man, festive baubles, and a full-size Santa for Christmas Eve. Good. Here says break area, elves only. So it seems it's meant for like standing. Yeah. So here we go. Kind of cool here from the back. Does it stand? Okay. Okay. Yes, it does. No, it falls off. So, let's open everything up. Let's see how cool everything is. Definitely liking the doors. Sometimes it's tricky, but they have made nice cardboard work here. So I'm saying they did a good job, and then I have trouble getting the candy out. The boxes, there could be bigger things inside. So, well, anyways, here we go, 24. So, do you have an advent calendar? Let me know. Oh. Oh. I said it's nice, but some doors are a pain. So now a bauble. Oh. Now I want to rip it apart. Here on top are all the small baubles. I want to know how it tastes like. Ja, it's milk chocolate. It's crunchy film. No. Tastes quite cool. Oh. Yeah, nice finish also. See. Hey, okie dokie. I line up the contents in the orderly fashion. And now we strip a little bit. I don't think I will strip everything, or I will say I will strip everything. There we go. Alrighty. So, here we go. I stripped everything, but not Santa Claus. One of these. And a little ball. This is what I'm doing with her. I really like the figurines. So, has a nice vibe to it. all look kind of similar, but at the same time different. Nice design. That was a big moment when I unwrap Santa Claus. Awesome. And he's similar like the others as well here with feet. And yeah, KitKat, even KitKat is printed on. So yeah, a really cool merchandise product, I have to say this. And yeah, let's cut Santa Claus. Here we go. Go right in the middle. And this is what it looks like. Say, this seems to be Rice Crisps. And yeah, I guess this is some sort of filling. Some soft nougat filling or something in the Rice Crisps. Tastes very good. Creamy. Tastes better than original KitKat. It's really awesome chocolate. Komm. Hey. You want to rip apart the calendar. Tradition. So, I think there are no mysteries inside, but let's check anyhow. Okay, here's like the plastic tray. So, plastic tray. So no print inside. And here on top are the little elves working. Let's open up the shop. Okay, and here we can see like the background image of the factory a little bit better. So actually there's some machinery and tools. Oh, look at this. Yes, it says naughty. Naughty and nice. So we found a little secret, I would say. Okay. Well, look here. Uh-huh. Good. Naughty and nice. Let's write something down into the logbook. Fun win. It's, yeah, I think a little bit itchy in the very finish, but anyways. No fun win. KitKat. KitKat. Santa's Workshop. Santa's Workshop. Advent. Calendar. Good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. See you on Wednesday.